Hello traders, welcome to this channel. Myself Rajan Prasad Tripathi, founder of Tripathi Algorithms. Thanks for the all of you for regularly watching my contents with interest. Moving forward, we are going to discuss about the new algo, that is Expert Advisor TA Prop Prime XAUSD version 1.35. This is very close to those who are prop fund lovers and who desires to automate their trading. So in this order, let's move to the screen to know all about the Expert Advisor. I tested a gold EA TA Prop Prime XAUSD version 1.35 for 18 months. Here is the 64% profit results. Most traders lose money on gold because they trade with emotion. I wanted to see if an algorithm could handle 18 months of market volatility without breaking. I built the TA Prop Prime XAUSD version 1.35, ran on a tick by tick back test from January 2025 to August 2026, and the result, well, they surprised even me. Over 64% profit, and more importantly, my drawdown stayed under 7%. If you are looking for a serious tool for prop firm evaluation, you need to see this entirely. You are seeing this graph from 1 January 2025. The graph is properly moving upwards. Its profit going upwards. It starts from 15,000 capital and reached to more than 24,000. The drawdown is this, 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 not more than 7%. So this is the good. Gold is the most dangerous pair to automate. It moves fast, it eats spreads, and it can wipe out a small account in minutes. Most EAs fail here because they use dangerous grid or martingale strategies. With the TA Prop Prime XAUSD V1.35 update, I completely stripped those out. No doubling down, no infinite hedging. I focused on pure trend identification and strict risk management. Let's go to the strategy tester. This is the setting. You should select this one, TA Prop Prime XAUSD version V1.35. Symbol gold XAUSD, time frame 5 minutes, period according to our wish, but previous 2 years are more beneficial. I have selected from 1 January 2025 to 14 August 2026, and this is the delay, every tick based on real tick. This is the capital 15,000 USD and leverage 1 is to 100, and this is the visual mode. Look at these numbers. Here was not a 2 week optimization. This is 18 months of real tick data, a profit factor of 1.58. It's professional grade, but the number I care about most, the 6.52 max equity drawdown. This is the equity drawdown. If you are aiming for a prop firm challenge like FTMO or any other, you know that drawdown is the number one reason traders fail. This EA is designed to stay well within those limits. Their initial deposit was 15,000 and net profit is 9,607. This is the recovery factor 7.69, expected payoff 22.39, Sharpe ratio 4.73. Most important, within 1.8 months, there total 428 trades, out of which 255 trades were in profit and 174 trades were in loss. There the win rate is 59.44%. At consecutive profits were $6 1,592, whereas consecutive losses were 7, that were minus 672. It is profitable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. During the period the expert advisor was profitable. You are seeing the chart. You can also see on own back testing. Even you are also seeing here, there only December month was not more profitable, whereas other months were green. Profitable, profitable, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So this is the financial market rule, not always a slope curve prop. Some duration, some period it is profitable, whereas some period it is not profitable. TA prop prime dashboard, it keeps your risk managed in real time. It does not guess, it uses logic to identify entries. I am giving you full control over the parameters, so you can adjust your risk appetite, whether you are trading a $5,000 personal account or a $100,000 prop firm challenge. The strategy remains consistent. Let's see MQL5.com. Here I have given the name TA Prop Prime XAUSD, and this is the logo I have selected and saved. This is the descriptions. I have explained everything here. You can read out it properly. Everything is there. Instructions, procedures, installations, and This is the screenshot I am going to paste here. Add image. Let's save it. More image. Yes, I have selected all. And need to save. Now the strategy is required to save. This is the TA Prop Prime X AUSD version 1.35 final. Clicked and saved. Now you are seeing that it has been verified and saying to publish it. So I will click it and publish for your use. So till now, go to the market and search party. You can search these expert advisors for your back testing and further use. The name is clear. TA Prop X, Tripathi Gold Straddle ATR Sniper, Tokyo Session Range Break USD JPY, I have this one TA Prop Prime XAUSD as a draft and I will publish it very shortly and it will be available for you from tomorrow. And the link of these expert advisors I am also sharing with this video in description box. If you want to dive into the technicals or grab the expert advisors, the link of the TA Prop Prime XUSD 1.5 is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Tripathi Algorithm for more deep dive into algorithm trading. Happy trading and let's keep those drawdowns low.